I don't think I'm ever gonna just say, hey, I'm happy with the fact that they lied to us on this and not being a 10 by 30. But at least I'm pretty confident we're gonna make money. We're gonna be in the profit. We're gonna get our 3,000 back, and that will work out. But still, I don't.
Our time.
Huh?
Our time goes.
My time is priceless. There ain't no big million afford to give me that, man. What? Isn't? No. What's your time worth?
Honestly, my time is priceless too, because you always have to think of yourself as great. Because if you think of yourself anything less than great,
I always say perception is the key to life, and the fact is I didn't mean that in a big headway. I meant that in the fact that I only have so much time on this world. You know what I mean? You can, all these things we hunt for and all that stuff means nothing, because you cannot buy 1 second of lost time.
You say so much time in this world, and it's not even that much time, because honestly, once you get out of your prime, like, it's hard to do anything. Yeah. So even the time you do have is cut in half.
Luckily, I haven't hit my prime yet.
Huh?
I haven't even hit my prime yet.
No?
No. It's coming, I think. So, that's a food box. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all the stuff we're taking out now, and it's not coming into my store. Just gonna leave it here. We're gonna load this right back up for the flea market. This feels very heavy, feels very hot and panny. It's not just pots and pans though. Another Harley Davidson motorcycle. Another 198 of those in this unit will be cool. What does that go to? You think the little woman would want this? I bet she will, huh? It's a little cowboy. I'm gonna have to dibs this for her. The head's pretty tight. All right, here we go. Harley air filters. We're getting there. We're slowly building this Harley. Slowly building this Harley here. That's a very large size tent right there. That's kind of cool. I won't be dibsing that, but I think that's definitely 40-50 bucks right there.
Ooh, I see something special on the bottom of your box, but we'll wait to get to that.
Those are cool.
He does this to me all the time.
This is a little bracelet. Hard work pays off is what the bracelet
right there inside of this scam unit. I think we started this the other day. Let's go through it again. This one turned me off when I looked at it the other day. I don't know why, but we'll see again. And here we have, that is exactly what it is. You need these for your minivan?
I just might. Is it all in there?
No one talked about your minivan. I simply said, would you like this for your minivan? Look at this box, Alex.
It looks nice.
Oh, it does it?
Yes, it does. It'd look better if you didn't open it upside down.
What is that?
What?
Can you help me with it?
Is it what I think it is? No, it's the bottom of a box that's open. I'm gonna say...
No, this is not a bottom of a box. This is something that needs to come out.
Oh, it's curved. Don't mess it up.
I'll give it to you.
Give it to me. We gotta open it and see what it is.
Oh.
And it's upside down. No, it's not. Oh, I know what it is. It's a little fishy tank thing.
Is it a barbecue? A fireplace? It's a fireplace.
Is it a fireplace?
Yeah.
Or is it the one, the little fishy swim
It's a fireplace. A Bud Light sign.
They should cross out 2 teams on there. This one and this one.
Yeah. Pretty much all of these. That's why we're in a league of our own over here. See that? Yeah.
You know, we're at the front of the game.
Yeah, front of the game. Okay. Take some back to your pad. Get it? Your pad? You know? Ribbit.
Why'd they shoot it so many times? The thing is bullet riddle. These are all like $20, $30 bills you're pulling out.
I like that. Look at that. Who remembers drinking those back in the day? Yeah.
6 pack of them and you're done.
2005. That was more like the mid-90s for me.
Yeah. That'd be a killer man cave if I was buying a house.
I'd rather put up things like Picasso tins and stuff to help me manifest priceless paintings. I don't want to manifest beer.
Just man.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Budweiser.
Mexico.
Nice. These will go in our good pile for sure.
Nice one right there. Ooh.
This one.
Vintage.
Wait a minute.
Motorcycle. Yeah. I mean, that's a $300 piece right there.
I don't know. It has actually a feel. The way this is what got me. See how I said it like that?
Too. It's
yeah.
from the side of the building. It's actually very nice. Authorized dealer. Oh yeah.
Can I start singing?
Nice. I like it. Who's this?
You know what that is, right?
I don't know, but we should make this in the video. Oh my God, they scammed us, and they'll put the word scam here, and it's got the O face. No. It's the inventor.
Original. It was the original inventor of the O face. I'm scared.
Yeah.
No, I'm surprised.
See? Look. Original. That's a rookie card then.
Rookie card. Let's get it graded.
I'm gonna leave the Newport one in here. Hold on a second, Michaela. You got to make a. What kind of face is he doing? Go like seem crazy. You got to look at him and be like, ah. There we go. These are things we do for thumbnails, guys.
You know what?
Trying to be positive over here. You're making it difficult with your aura.
Huh?
You're making it difficult with your aura. Oh. Okay, some of those are able. I gotta be careful with movies, because if you remember correctly, we couldn't show some of them earlier. But look at this. Ooh, Pete's Dogs.
Your best one right here.
Hold on, sir. This is not my best one. I've only begun. Soul Calibur, Legends, Rayman, Carnival Games. I love this one. Which ones are on here? Oh yeah. What games are your guys' favorites? I like this. I like all of them. I used to whip my kids on that one. They always think they're so good at games, and these are the ones I'd kick their butt at. Sir, can you take your box and then I can set my stuff down? You guys, comment below to Alex. Alex, go film, please.
Comment below. Alex, go film.
We got Xbox. Harold and Kumar, I love that movie. Guitar Hero, shout out to Guitar Hero. I want to be careful because I remember some of those were not able to be seen in a previous box. I don't know if we're going to come across that. Guitar Hero, you know where we put our video games. Definitely these go in our auctions. Alex is Friday. I'm random days of the week. I only do one. And then my son does them on his channel. Band Hero, The Beatles, Guitar Hero, Gears of War, .360, and so they basically liked 360 games. And they got a lot of DVDs. Those will probably end up. Oh, we got the Wii. Pays to look a little deeper. So there's the full Wii. I don't know if we'll do the Wii. I'm guessing. Huh. Wow. So I don't know what this is. I almost wonder if that would be a comfortable stool. It's a stool made out of a seat for a Harley of some form. I'm gonna have to look into that because I kind of. That is pretty nice. Motorcycle part. Zamrini Brothers, 96. Motorcycle art. I'll have to look that up.
Mug Mike?
No. That's pretty tight. Jim. Yo, Jim. Oh, can't show that. Alright. So, that's kind of a cool cookie jar if you're a motorcycle guy. Right?
Hey! What was that? My knife? I've been looking for that. Oh no, the scissors.
100% agave.
That's tight. That looks just like me.
Yep, you can drink that.
Appreciate it. I'm not drinking it.
He will. Next ceremony. Next.
Right now.
No, I don't have time for that. I got work to do. But next get together. What? No.
I asked him if I could have it. He said for $30.
Yeah, that's fair. Look, that's
Too much. It's your daughter, bro. How about you exchange it for like work, like a couple packaging or something?
I'm trying to teach my kids the hard way that nothing's free. You know.
It's not free, but you exchange it for.
They already don't know what it's like because everything is mostly free in their life. So I try to have to teach them. Well, everything is officially made by them, I think.
Official product. But none of the rest of them said that on it. And has a tag on it.
What's there another subsidiary company? That's probably worth $10 to the right person. Oh, look at this.
Like 20.
Alex, I got some slump. This is a slumper.
What'd you say, Mike?
I got some slump. Is that what they call this? No, what is this?
What?
Some slaps. I got some slaps.
Some slap.
Yeah, I said some slumpers.
Pioneer Marco. Oh yeah, wait. You gotta see what series they are. Oh, those that 200, 300 probably.
$1 bet.
Do you know who I'm talking about?
Yeah.
All right, I bet $1. I get 200 for those.
What in the heck is this? A fridge?
Yeah, Bud White refrigerator.
Oh.
That's tight. Little beer.
Flea market. Whoa. What do you think of those? Internet?
I got the base still.
Everlasting base?
Whatever it is, the same brand.
Yeah, that's nice. That's gotta be a couple $100, right?
Depends on the brand and stuff, right?
Clipsy. Car stereos. Yeah. Amplifiers, power logic, acoustic. This is straight flea market stuff here. Some DGs. Don't know if they're genuine. They say China. And then that greatest wide receiver ever in the game.
You get what you pay for.
Yeah, you do. So I get this for help.
They gotta be dirty and ripped.
You're dirty and ripped. Oh, interesting. I found one of these in a couple of units. It's just getting ugly now. That was almost cool. Looked very lilac-y. Okay, so we have... Oh, can't show those. The door lock. Looks like we have two beer signs. Let's see what they are. We have a fresh Budweiser. That's kind of cool. And we have oh, this is getting ridiculous to me. Like I'm over this storage unit because oh, what is going on with these cords? Come on. Spud McKenzie, shout out to Spud McKenzie. He was a legend back in the day. I mean, I used to actually have a Spud McKenzie shirt I wore to school in like the 7th or 8th grade. As frustrating as these units are, you must carry on. Like, you can't leave no stone unturned because you just never know where something could be in this crock pot right here, you know? The treasure could be in there. No, it's not, but could have been. Thought that workbench was nice. I think we should put that on the internet. Oh yeah.
Straps, speakers, like everyone. What is that?
A horn.
A horn.
Blow it.
DJ lights.
Hold on, but hold that up again real quick.
Red light, green light.
No, I'm just thinking stop the fraud thumbnail. No?
Stop the fraud. Stop the fraud. Clock.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Let me see a knife before you do something dumb.
Let's take this out first.
Let's take that out first. Ooh, that's a trophy a trophy lamp.
Oh, this is one heck of a...
There's your Jungle Juice ice chest.
It's clean.
Are you gonna dibs it?
No, I don't need ice.
This will be cool for your parties. You like tequila.
That is a very nice ice chest, though.
You don't like it? Don't like it then. I don't tell you. Ooh, the freaking boombox.
It's on. It's just not working.
It's alright.
That's pretty cool. 40, 50 bucks. This one right here probably like a good 60 bucks, right? That's pretty cool though.
Kind of jukeboxy. Let the good times roll. Should we put this on the internet?
I don't know. What do you think you on the internet for that?
I don't think it's gonna sell at the flea market. I say we put this on the internet. I want to make some money back and maybe profit, so. That's a wrap, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to comment below what you think about this unit. It was definitely very scammy. I'm not very happy I bought a 10 by 30 and got a 10 by 20. We're gonna make our money back. That lift right there, it's the money. The 2 paint sprayers, we got a handful of decent items. That's it.